sheet, nigga. SUG, man. You already know the game, man. We rocking, man. Fuck they tails off, man. Feel like the Migos in this motherfucker. I got one chain though. One watch. What earring? Smoking, stupid, fruity, loud. You know how it goes, man. Shoot 'em up gang, man. Free dirt, man. R.I.P. DP, R.I.P. NT, free roll, man. Gang. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they on you, no letting up.
What up, gang? Y'all already know what's going on. Shooting this video with the GoPro.
Ouch.
With my broke best friend.
Hi.
So we about to go on up here and watch these clothes. I want to let y'all see Sugar, or Midnight. I keep mixing her name up. Ooh. Do y'all know anybody else who got a harder charger in Illinois? Let me know. Let me know. I'm just saying, bro.
How about you stink?
Yeah. Man, you would say that on camera, huh? So now you know I can't show that video.
You farted.
Some people just, when the camera rolling, they just say anything.
No, because you actually did fart.
And you keep talking. You keep saying it. Cold start. Well, not a cold start, but we just turned it on. She wakes me up every time. All right, y'all, we about to go ahead and get inside. Talk to y'all in a minute. We in Sugar, y'all. Now we about to go ahead and roll to, we gotta go to Walgreens and get the wife's medicine. And then we go to the laundromat. Now, I'm just undecided about what I want. She want
Chinese food.
I want JJ Fish.
I want Chinese food!
So we're gonna see what's happening with that.
Because I'm hungry.
Shit, we gotta back up. Y'all see that car behind me? He always parking right there. It makes it hard sometimes for us to park, lead. But I got it. I got it.
Yeah, I don't know why y'all. Because like that person parks right there when me and Dylan playing basketball.
Like, been parking right there before y'all was playing basketball. All right, y'all, which way we going? We're gonna go to the left.
Do the rock.
Ooh, I did the roar. Do the roar, man.
Do the rock.
Do the roar. I already did it. I don't want to do it again. Y'all want to hear the roar? And that was the roar, y'all. DHL. See, y'all here on these all seatbelt, man. Lord telling me to put my seatbelt on.
Put your seatbelt on.
I am.
My papa actually pretends that this car is my sister.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is her sister.
No, it's not, guys.
No, it's not her sister. They were arguing last time we came up here, wasn't y'all? Okay, I guess I'll park right here. Y'all hold on. All right, y'all, we walking in Walgreens. Go ahead and go to our aisle and get our stuff. We gotta go to the back to get the medicine first. They always got stuff in here for women. Look, they got a whole aisle.
Hey, Papa.
Your women make me sick. Y'all got a whole hour to yourself.
Pardon me?
No problem, sorry.
Papa,
Huh?
I missed my friend's birthday party.
Oh, that's right. What's her name?
Sophia.
Her birthday was the 29th, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Ugh. Shaita.
But the phone number is on the thing, the paper.
It was still on the paper, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It was still on the paper, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if I could get her phone number, we could have play dates.
We up here to pick up this medicine, y'all.
Can I talk to? Hi.
She always got something to say.
I see nothing.
Because the screen, sometimes the screen goes black. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, we back in.
We're gonna go back to the house to give my granny her medicine.
Go all the way back there to give her medicine.
But she already knows she has a car.
So when I tell you call your granny, when I tell you to call her, let her know we're gonna pull up so she can come outside and get it.
She has a car though.
She come outside and get her medicine. Some of this medicine gotta go in the refrigerator. Gang, what y'all on, man? Testing out the new GoPro.
G-O.
Late night POV finna be lit.
Wait, can I be in the late night POV this time?
No, sometimes I shoot them when I come home from work. Like I'm gonna shoot another one. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow or later on this week, but I'm gonna shoot a late night POV and coming home from work.
Why did that truck have smoke coming out?
That's the exhaust.
Huh?
That's the exhaust.
Ooh, what's this? Okay, I'm gonna log in.
Y'all see how small it is? The camera? Yeah, way better than the phone. I'm telling you, way better.
I'm on point.
You call her?
Huh?
Call her. Tell her to come get her medicine. I gotta start wearing my seatbelt, y'all. I be forgetting to put it on.
We're finna pull up. We're here right now.
Okay. All right, now we done dropped off the medicine. Now we can head to the laundry, man.
Chinese food.
Please, girl.
I'm
watching.
hungry.
I don't care. You just ate. Greg just made you something.
She said I could still get Chinese food.
Well, you got to wait to get that. Look at this dog, y'all. Ooh, cute dog. Ooh. She like that, y'all. Scared her. Do the roar. That's what that sign say back there on my window, y'all. Do the roar. Always do the roar. You got them pipes that sing, let them sing. Do the roar.
And if y'all didn't check out that short that had the little boy who said do the roar, check it out now.
Yeah, they remember the little boy from Shrek, Do the Roar. I better remember that little dude.
Because we don't have Netflix no more, so we can't watch it.
No, I never had it on Netflix. I had it on Peacock.
Peacock? Can I watch it?
You don't watch it. The type of person that'll turn on the video and won't watch it.
I will watch it.
No, you won't watch it.
I will. I'm gonna try.
Yeah, she thinks she's gonna try. How fast I think we should go? Should we do like 50? We in the 30 zone. Can't do 50 out here. Side police be sitting in the cut. They be waiting on somebody to speed through here. It makes their day. Oh, we got one, Bubba. Gang, gang. What's good, y'all? It's Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Remember yesterday my grandbaby said, I'm gonna be on the videos on Monday and Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, but y'all never know when we'll drop it. We might drop it later on today. We may drop it tomorrow. You know, ain't no telling. Ain't no telling how we feel, right, ma? Look at, she got my phone in her hand. See how big that phone is, y'all? That's why I couldn't record like that. Damn thing look like a MacBook.
Then use the, don't use the tablet then.
Damn thing look like a MacBook recording like that. Hold up. What up, y'all? Y'all see the truck up there? Got Chucky on the back? Chucky, the killer doll. We got caught by this train, y'all. Good thing it's only a Metro, though.
Metro?
Yeah, it's a Metro. Metros go by quick. If it was a freight train, we'd be stuck.
Forever.
Testing out the new GoPro, man. Can't wait to see this stuff in 4K. We'll let my granddaughter hold it and her record me while I'm driving, but I don't know. Can't get pulled over for having a camera in your hand, can you? It's better than a phone, though.
Yeah, you can't get pulled over for having a camera in your hand.
I hope not.
Please do not.
All right, y'all, we pulling up to Vegas. Yeah, we went to Vegas to wash our clothes. Check it out, Vegas. We in Vegas. Yeah, I had to come all the way to Vegas to wash our clothes. Laundry day on a Tuesday. You gotta look at your car when you go past the window. Look how good it look. Yes, yes. Slow motion, slow motion. I'm going crazy, y'all. So all we gotta wash is my uniform. That's it. Get ready for the jobs.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Job starts back tomorrow. Catch y'all on the inside.
Keisha, Tamila, Adrian, Legia.
Oh yeah, sorry about that, y'all. We back. We are in the parking lot over here at Vegas. Washing our clothes. She's always with me. And we got Midnight in the back. Now I want to talk a little bit about Midnight. That's what I call her. Like I said, oh yeah, shout out to Slot Boy Kid. I saw your comment. I really am thinking about going with the Hemi logo in the hood and put it in, you know, had a little black part, but then the word Hemi is yellow. And like I told y'all yesterday, I'm thinking about going catless, so I get that extra row out of it. Superman. Get that extra row out of it, you know what I'm saying? So she can y'all, I mean, y'all here already. She sounding off already, but I can get that extra growl up out of her. You know what I'm saying? I got Bart halfway down there now. Do the roar. So 345, big 345. She actually stayed decent and clean. You know what I'm saying?
No, cause guys.
Oh yeah. Like my grandmother said. One of them got me. It ain't been 24 hours, and one of them got me. Ew. I promise you when I catch you, mother. Yeah, we'll be in Vegas washing our clothes, y'all. Let me go ahead and lock her up. Cause now we got to go inside and wash the uniform. Hecky no, check this out. Ooh, I know somebody happy. She's not pregnant. I don't know who that is, that's wild. Yeah, somebody took a pregnancy test, but turned out she's not pregnant. I know she's probably happy.
Papa, why you do that?
I didn't do that. They left it out here like that.
No, why you showing?
I mean, I was just about to walk past it. Might as well. All right, what side? Yeah. It might be some dirty water. You know, these places, half these places got the sewer in here. We got our clothes over here, or my uniform. Ooh, I love it when they get soapy. When they get soapy, that means they getting clean. And they shorts, thank you. We in Vegas washing our clothes, y'all. And over there, they got a slot room over there where you can go play the slots. Last time me and my grandbaby came up here, we sat over here, we washed all the clothes, and we ordered a bunch of chicken tenders. It was eating good. Look at her, she want a tattoo.
Lucky farts. Farts.
I don't think I want that kind of tattoo. Stink stop. What sure do stink up in here? Hey gang, I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting while we up in here washing these clothes. I'm gonna catch y'all on the other side when we hop back in Sugar and head to the crib. I give her ass some money for herself, and look what she come up here to do, y'all. Come up here to play the damn slot machine. That's my wife. She gonna get on this machine right here and do quick hits.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
How much was that ATM?
$20.
How much was the ATM?
Same thing. Oh, the bank charge me $50. They charge $3.
What is it? I need to call that number on the side of the machine. I got somebody who got a gambling habit. Right, Mom?
I have a winner hat.
Hold on, y'all. We're gonna sneak up on her and see what she's doing.
Don't think me.
100 gamblers anonymous.
Oh.
Ended your song? What up, gang? We all done. Finna leave Vegas. It was nice being in Vegas, but now we gotta go back to Midlothian, Illinois.
To get my Chinese food.
Oh, fat butt hungry. We got midnight right here looking good, looking good, looking good.
No, except for this.
Yeah, the whole car decent except for this.
Bleh.
So we about to hop back in. Hop back in. Head to the crib. Appreciate y'all for rocking with us today while we was at the laundromat. I appreciate the love and support. Shout out to my boy Slot Boy Kid and everybody else that slide through to check out the videos. Remember my gaming channel down there too, so don't forget that. I always try to put that in the description because your boy do game.
And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Imani Miller, and my other channel is where you see his subscription.
So, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support. It's your boy Sauce. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.